Meghalaya is ramping up its adventure tourism sector with plans to document and map hiking trails and promote adventure sports like paragliding. The state is also prioritizing infrastructure development, including a homestay scheme aimed at supporting local communities and providing economic opportunities. The government is pushing for improved services, including helicopter tourism, by developing heliports in strategic locations like Sora. These steps aim to position Meghalaya a top adventure destination while empowering local guides and businesses.
Adventure tourism is a very important, vertical under Meghalaya tourism, because we know that we have beautiful caves, we have beautiful trekking routes, we have beautiful waterfalls, and we have a multi-pronged approach. One is definitely we want to build the capacity of our local service providers, build further capacity of the tourism service providers, so that the best trained people, manpower is available.